Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to create your own formula here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this one's actually very simple. When you are creating a formula, you want to click on a cell, and the first thing you want to do is add the equals button. This will immediately tell Excel that you're wanting to make a formula. Now from here it's kind of up to you what kind of formula you like to make. So for example, if I type in sum, for example, you can see what this will do is it will add the numbers that I require. Okay, so from here I can then add in a bracket, and this gives me an opportunity to then add in the cells I'd like to use. So let's have a look at the cells. You can see we have these right here, so I would click and drag, and then I'll close that off with a bracket and click enter, and that will now give me what I'm looking for. Let's just change that to general, and that has now given me the sum of these. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.